Poly Studio V12 USB video bar review. Smarter calls, cleaner rooms, zero setup stress. Have you ever joined a meeting where someone spent the first 4 minutes saying, "Can you hear me now?" while everyone waited? I watched an IT manager nearly cancel a client presentation because the room camera was pointing at the ceiling again. Completely avoidable. If your conference room setup creates more problems than it solves, tell me in the comments. You are not alone. That knot in your stomach before a high-stakes call is real. Scrambling to fix audio dropout, repositioning a camera that keeps losing the speaker, watching remote participants lean in, squinting at a blurry feed. Basic video bars promised simplicity, but often just moved the problem sideways. There has to be a calmer, smarter way to run meetings without the pre-call chaos ritual. Don't just pick any USB video bar. Make sure it has AI-powered framing and hardware-grade noise cancellation, so you never suffer through another blurry, echo-heavy, exhausting meeting again. Then, everything changed when I found the Poly Studio V12, and the first call using it felt immediately different. The 20-megapixel 4K Ultra HD camera with a 120-degree field of view covers every corner of a small room without anyone feeling cropped out or forgotten. Poly Director AI handles speaker tracking, group framing, and people framing automatically, so nobody fumbles with camera controls mid-conversation. Noise Block AI and Acoustic Fence quietly eliminate keyboard noise, air conditioning hum, and hallway chatter before it ever reaches your call. Let me be honest, setup took under 10 minutes. One cable mounted to the display, recognized immediately by Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet without drivers or drama. A department head I know was finalizing a vendor call minutes before a hard deadline. She walked into the room, connected in seconds, and the system handled everything else. That calm recovery was the moment she stopped questioning the investment. More on lasting results next. After consistent daily use, the Poly Studio V12 stops feeling like new hardware and starts feeling like the room itself just works. That invisible reliability is where the real value lives. A collaboration technology specialist described the V12 as setting a new standard for small room video bars, noting that even at full 120-degree wide angle, the image stays distortion-free, with noise simulation removed almost completely in testing. An IT infrastructure reviewer highlighted that PolyLens remote management gives teams centralized visibility, updates, and troubleshooting across every deployed unit without stepping foot in the room. From an analyst perspective, reducing meeting setup friction by removing separate microphones, speakers, and cameras from small rooms meaningfully cuts both support tickets and deployment costs. One office manager shared that her team stopped dreading Monday morning all-hands calls entirely after the V12 replaced their previous patchwork setup. That kind of shift in meeting culture is genuinely hard to put a number on. Some buyers hesitate at the premium positioning compared to entry-level bars. Here is the honest perspective. The cost gap narrows quickly when you factor in fewer IT support calls and faster room setup across multiple spaces. Worth asking yourself, how much is one failed client call actually costing you? The sustainability angle, 65% recycled plastics, adds quiet organizational value too. Thousands of hybrid teams and IT managers are already running the Poly Studio V12 USB video bar as their small room standard, and the consistent feedback is that meetings simply feel more professional from the first call. Results may vary based on room size and network conditions. If cleaner video, smarter audio, and effortless setup sound like the upgrade your conference room genuinely needs, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Click through, explore everything, and see the difference for yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.